Rock Hudson, Gigi Young, and Gina Lollobrigida star in this 1965 comedy about an Italian artist who marries and then separates, and then once again tries to get together again 7 years later.
The new Florida Theater in Hollywood, Florida opens its doors with all of the glitter that a world premiere deserves. This is a benefit showing for the Fraternal Order of Police of Broward County, and the attraction is the new Universal comedy Strange Bedfellows, starring Gina Lollobrigida and Gig Young. To Gig goes the honor of cutting the opening night ribbon as the plush movie house opens for business. Melvin Frank wrote, directed, and produced Strange Bedfellows and came up with a laugh riot in his triple threat role. The next day, the movie opens at 7 other Florida theaters, and things appear to turn out beautifully. They chose a Miss Gina, and the qualifications are simple. All they want is a girl who looks good, anytime, day or night. The judges come up with one in the finals at the Beach Theater, and she almost outshines the bright lights. Gig Young has a reward for Sally Stevenson, as Gina and producer Frank beam approval. The pert young winner will have a trip to New York and an interview with Universal talent scouts. She will long remember the world premiere of Strange Bedfellows.